So you made your brand new channel. You're starting up, making content. But golly gee willikers, how do I make better content? How do I become the Omega All-Star YouTube channel? Or how do I get all the autographs, all the people to like me and stuff and here and there and be awesome at editing and all that good stuff? I don't know. Who knows? Well, today, my friend, I'm going to tell you. It's very simple and easy. It's a simple answer. Today's sponsor is brought to you by the like and the subscribe button with the bell notification. 100% free. Just go ahead and click on it. Go. Just do it. Do it right now. You got 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. Did you do it? Alright, there we go. Okay, thank you. Now, let's get on to the real stuff. So, hi, my name is Mr. Breaky. Welcome to a brand new video, Content Creator 101. And the simple question and answer for you is, how do I get better on making YouTube videos? Simple answer. Practice. That's it. Create content. That's it. Yeah. Gimmicks? No gimmicks. No. Do I need awesome copyright music and all and everything? Nah. Do I need flashy stuff and all and everything? Yeah. No, don't really. No. No. Just be you. Make your content. And over time, it'll actually get better. You're gonna be horrible. Trust me, you're gonna be horrible on the very first video you make. Because you think it's gonna be the greatest thing ever. It's not. I'm still learning. And I've been on here for many years. And that's not the point though. The point is to inspire you and help you grow. And I'm gonna be truthful and honest to you. Because I just want you to be the best you can. 100%. Just practice. No gimmicks. No advertisements. No ads or anything or money and blah blah this, blah blah that. None of that, no. Just be you and make the content that you like. Because people will actually enjoy what you enjoy. And that's the simplest thing ever. So I hope this tutorial helped you out on everything. Hey, I don't know. Hopefully you got your answer. And I'm truly being honest to anyone and everyone, any age, whether you're 13 years old, 18 years old, 20, 25, 100, 110 years old. Holy moly, what are you doing? But hey, you want to be a YouTube content creator? Be my guest. Go ahead. Thank you everyone for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button, notification button, stuff. I don't know. Buy my merch. Watch other videos. All that fun stuff. And I'll see y'all around. Bye-bye.